Have you always thought of starting a YouTube channel, but you didn't because you don't want to reveal your face to the world? If that is the case, then you've come to the right place. Do you know that you can start a YouTube channel without revealing your identity? It is 100% possible. Finding success with a faceless channel is not a far fetched dream. It is a lucrative venture, and there are so many faceless channels out there that YouTubers can make an income with without showing their face or revealing their identity. So, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 9 faceless channels. And these 9 faceless channels that I'm about to show you are not just anyhow, they are the best. You can earn a living from it. So be sure to stick around to the very end because the last one is the highest. It earns the highest, like it's one of the best faceless channels that you can ever go for. I'd advise you to download Pixel. Pixel is a very good app where you find stock images and videos. For example, if you want to make a faceless channel about motivation, then you need stock videos. But that's not the case because people that make cooking videos, they don't need stock images and videos. So it depends on the kind of niche you're going for. But the thing is, if you want to start up a YouTube channel, a faceless YouTube channel, then you need Pixels. Pixel is a very good app, by the way. So the first faceless channel that we will be looking at is motivational videos. One of the best ways of getting started on YouTube without showing your face is by sharing motivational videos. It's perfect because you don't need to show your face, but you attract an audience that needs help with personal development and some assurance. Motivational videos are generally uplifting and share inspirational stories and quotes. The next is DIY videos. DIY videos simply means do it yourself. DIY videos on YouTube get millions of views and are easily one of the most popular faceless YouTube channel ideas out there. Some of the DIY YouTubers even have millions of subscribers. These videos allow you to be as creative as you want in any of your preferred niches. While most of them do have people running the show, there are some creative DIYers out there who create YouTube videos without exposing their identity. For example, Gazu Studio is one such creator who has around 300k subscribers and regularly gets 100k views on her channel. So please go check it out. To get started on DIY YouTube channel, you need to do some research, find your niche and brainstorm. On the third, we have daily aesthetic vlogs. Another popular faceless YouTube channel idea is silent and aesthetic daily vlogs. There has been a huge surge in this category of YouTube videos with people who film their daily lives without showing their faces. These videos have a calming effect on the viewers as they generally promote slow living, healthy lifestyle, and realistic lives. However, these videos are harder to film than you think. If you want to create daily vlogs, you need to start by planning out your daily routine and activities and film them as snippets throughout the day. Focus on capturing aesthetically pleasing clips and pay attention to the lighting and composition. Editing techniques such as transitions and time lapses can add a lot of visual appeal to your videos. Add soft, calming music to your videos. On the fourth, we have video game reviews and playthroughs. If you love video games and want to showcase your skill, you should consider starting a gaming channel. Based on our observations, gaming videos are about the activity and the insane full walkthroughs, and you don't need to reveal your face for that. Start by researching trending games. You can look into what other YouTubers are playing or search for games on platforms like Steam. Use screen capture software to record your full gameplay footage. You can provide insightful, fun commentary without showing your face. Collaborate with game developers for early game access and provide unique sites. Stay up to date on the latest releases and developments in the gaming community. On the fifth place, we have tech reviews. If you love tech and new gadgets, you should consider launching a tech channel. This YouTube channel teaches viewers how to get the most out of their tech and share tutorials on how they work. This gives viewers the knowledge needed to make smart purchases and troubleshoot any issues while staying on current with emerging technology. This sixth one is so interesting. On the sixth place, we have study with me videos. If you're a high school or college student, starting a study with me channel would be the best choice and a great side hustle for you. There are thousands of students who tune in every day and study with YouTubers online. Sometimes they have live videos where they study for hours with breaks in between or pre recorded ones. If you want to make these types of videos, you'll need to establish a quiet space with ample lighting and limited distractions. Record your sessions using a screen recording app. Use apps like Vlo, VLLO, to edit your videos. Add ambient background music and calming effects. You need to establish a routine for yourself and your views. So upload videos consistently. Collaborate with other Study With Me YouTubers and broaden your viewership and engagement. On the seventh, we have cooking channel. So cooking videos and channels are always fun to watch and they get millions of views every day. While you may notice that most of the cooking channels have someone present in front of the camera walking you through the process and sharing instructions, there are several faceless channels out there that are hidden gems. Create and plan your recipes for your tutorials and make sure they cater for your audience interests. On the eighth place, we have animated stories. This one might sound similar to the art channel idea, but it's not. There are people on YouTube who create their stories and animate them for YouTube. One great example would be MJV Animations or Llama Arts, who animates and share scary stories with his audience. What's perfect about this niche is that you can do this without showing your face while showing off your artistic skills. You don't necessarily have to share scary stories. Did you hear the sound of that slime? That's ASMR. The ninth one is ASMR and satisfying videos. You may be well aware that ASMR seems to have taken over YouTube, and there are so many creators out there who are ready to tantalize the senses with sounds and textures. ASMR or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response is a sensory experience characterized by a pleasant tingling feeling in the head, scalp, back, or other parts of the body. The tingling response can be triggered by certain auditory and visual stimuli. ASMR content consists of audio or video media designed to induce the tingling sensation. People create hour-long ASMR videos and they get millions of views and their identities are never revealed. You will need a powerful microphone to get started as you need to capture those sounds. If you want to get started with ASMR videos, you need to invest in high quality equipment like binaural microphones that capture the ASMR sounds perfectly and create an immersive experience for your audience. Then you experiment with multiple triggers such as tapping, scratching, typing, and whispering. Make sure there is no background sound while editing the video. Then engage the ASMR community by joining online forums and social media. You can promote your channel there. Use editing software that boosts the audio visual effects and creates a heightened sensory experience for your audience. People create all kinds of ASMR videos, such as keyboard typing, eating, texture, tapping, slime sounds. I love slime sounds so much and so much more. So if this field interests you or if there is a particular sound you find tingling, you should just start. You should just get started right away. Most people start up a faceless YouTube channel to save them from the constant anxiety of their appearance, their background, from online bullying, and maybe some actually start up a faceless channel to hide from their employers. Yes. So all these are one of the reasons. They are the reasons people start up a faceless YouTube channel. But what are the cons of starting a faceless YouTube channel? You will lack recognition. That's just it. You won't be recognized. Nobody will know you. But either way, you'd still be earning from it. You'll still be making money from the faceless channel. So it's a win. Some people will ask, is a faceless YouTube channel profitable? I'd say yes, they are 100% profitable. You can make money with ad revenue and other monetization features that YouTube has. The merchandise sale, the shopping, the blah blah, and all that. You can make money from it. So a faceless YouTube channel is 100% profitable. I have seen so many YouTubers that make money from their faceless YouTube channel. The thing is to pick the one you're most comfortable with. You can go for ASMR, you can go for vlogging, you can go for pet or plant care, you can go for cooking. You just have to go with the one you're comfortable doing and the one that maybe your audience wants you to do. So go for whichever one you're comfortable doing. That's just the most important thing that you should do. So in case you watched this video to this very point and you've not subscribed, I wonder why. So please support me by subscribing. Your subscription is very, very important to me. And please comment. I'd like to hear your opinions about my videos. What should I make next? What kind of video should I do next? Am I trying? I want to hear all those in the comment section. So please do it for me. See you next time in the next video. Bye.